Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares held steady on Friday, showing stability after sharp gains in the previous session. The Nikkei 225 edged up less than 0.1%, and Australia's ASX 200 fell 0.2% after hefty gains on Thursday. Elsewhere in Asia, South Korea's Kospi was down 0.4%. Thursday's gains made Australia and Japan among the best performers in Asia this week, with Sydney up 0.9% since last Friday and Tokyo gaining 1.8% over the same period. Overnight US stocks ended largely flat after investors locked in gains from the Federal Reserve's somewhat dovish Wednesday policy statement and sold for profits. The Dow 30 rose 0.09%, the S&P 500 index rose 0.13%, while the Nasdaq Composite Index fell 0.08%. The Australian dollar opens in familiar territory this morning, trading just below key resistance levels. With little domestic data available to influence direction, the Australian dollar took its cues from offshore stimuli, where it seems the fallout from the Fed's FOMC statement continues. Investors have been forced to reposition themselves as prolonged accommodative monetary policy seems most likely, and the US dollar has suffered losing ground against most major peers over the last 48 hours. With a quiet economic calendar ahead of us, it is unlikely we will see the Aussie move much outside recent ranges as traders search for a catalyst to push the unit through 0.94. Today, the UK announced public sector net borrowing, and strong figure could see sterling trade higher by late morning. At 3 p.m. GMT, the Eurozone Consumer Confidence Survey is published. Expectations are for a fall to -6.5, and anything lower could result in euro weakness, providing some further excellent opportunities to take advantage of the current exchange rates for the sterling euro. It was the latest market news provided by IFA FX. Goodbye.